Bum, bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. There you go. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Where's my, oh shoot, I need my water. Hold up. Oh dude, the tiles are completely chopped. They're all chopped. Oh yeah. What the fuck we cooking? What are we cooking? Oh, time to put it on the story. 96 points. Lifetime. Okay. Lifetime. What is going on, guys? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? What's cooking, everybody? We cooking this week? Channel. Here. Share. Copy link. And then we get this on this story. And then we let everybody else know. I used to pray for times like this. How we doing, boys? Do I trade gold? Barely. 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 What are we peeping for the week? Man, I am hurting. My back is killing me right now. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. GA, death. I was in EA shorts, but I closed it early. Oh, wow. Holy. Hold on. I'll start too. Alerts set at this high for AUDJPY. And then the last TP point here. And then also we got a bunch of other plays on Dixie. What's up, boys? Big, how we doing? What else? Oh, dude, my back is actually in pain. This is crazy. This is crazy. Whew. Dollar is setting up prime for tomorrow. I'll tell you that right now. I'll tell you that right now. I'll tell you that right now. Oh. Whew. What's up, gangy? W's in the chat. Dude, I was squatting today. I think I pulled something in my back, my lower back. It's killing me. Absolute agony right now. But we're doing this right now to get a idea as to what is yet to come tomorrow. Oh, this hurts so bad. My God. Tomorrow. This is looking prime. Okay, my position is still up there. Calm and collective. Good. Perfect. So, what I want to see is USD/JPY, sorry, AUDCHF. This is already acting as calm support. That old gap. And I want to see this is going to be the draw, easy, and then eventually here. Like this was perfect. Old gap. Let me fix this. Dash, line, black, dash, line. Perfect. With us holding the break or two. Very clean. Back anatomy. Bro, I'm killing myself right now. It shit hurts. Hurts. Euro pound bearish. Nah, bro, I don't got no perkies. We passed that. Dude, I hate gold. I don't know why you guys even trade this shit. This is horrible. Yeah, bro, like, I might give up barbell squat completely. I won't even use a belt. Like, my lower back, like, right here is actually, like, in such pain right now. It's so fucking annoying. Hack squat is such a dub. So painful right now. My bench right now, it's at 295. I was actually off of creatine. I was off creatine for a year because I got my blood work done and my bloods was like, my creatine levels were really high. So I took a break from it. My creatine levels went back to regular, and then I got back on it like 2 weeks ago. So hopefully, like in like a month's time, 2 months' time, I can get my bench to 315. I don't really deadlift anymore, but when I was at my peak on deadlift, it was 465. Yeah, the inverse FUGs on the daily, just asking. Yeah, they are inverse FUGs. There's 2 inverse FUGs, and there's a volume imbalance. I'm looking at the volume imbalance. I think that price is going to draw down, manipulate upon news release, and then move up higher. Like, I'm looking at right now, USD CAD. Like, this is a flat... No, it's not flat body. I think that we sweep the lows here on USD CAD. And then go like this. Boom. Oh, fucking smoked, bro. Oh my god. Dude, barbell squats are the death of me, man. NQ bias? I mean, so far, bro, like, we closed off, like, I mean, off this week. What just happened? Dude, I can't believe I closed this position like a dumbass. So fucking stupid. This might be delivering something during Asia session. Wow. I was looking at this on the M5 today. I wanted to execute on EA off of this breaker to take it to the lows here, but it never gave me the entry. But it's delivering during Asia. But back to indices. I'm anticipating, honestly, like higher prices. I mean, there's nothing really telling me so far based off of the weekly candle. The only way that I would remain bearish to drop lower is if this weekly candle, like the body, just stayed inside of this gap and we traded lower. But now on daily, we have this to pay attention to. This inversion gap. And then also volume imbalance here. And we're inside of a daily bullish for value gap. So pay attention to what's going on inside of here. And then wait to see what happens on news release. Like, I'm pretty much like bullish on indices, most likely going to all-time highs again until honestly said otherwise. Nothing's really stopping me away from going lower. But I don't even think that dollar and indices have any sort of correlation at this point. Not really like using dollar to correspond to indices. Unless dollar completely tomorrow like violates all of these inversion gaps, trades lower, I'm bullish. We have GBP. Let me look. Hold on. AUDCHF. So we have 7 a.m. Oh my god. I think pound is going to be bullish. And I think the euro is going to get clapped. I think it's going to be bullish pound and bearish euro. Where is my this? Because I'm looking at euro pound, and so far I'm bearish bias on euro, and I've been like that for a minute. Like the weekly has been like this, and we went from weekly internal, and now I'm anticipating the draw to external, and it's also monthly internal here to monthly external, this being the draw on liquidity. And this previous monthly high ran into the weekly or the monthly bearish order block. So I think that on the daily, based off of what it's telling me here, I think that it can drop lower. Unless like if we get, say we get bearish pound, it's going to be like this. Like we manipulate lower into this gap and then we move up, or we just bleed right through it, which is what I'm prioritizing, and just go like this. I'm leaning towards bearish rather than bullish. EG, I use it as a strength indicator. I don't trade it. I don't trade EG and I don't trade AN. I just use them as indicators to tell me if Australian dollar is bullish or New Zealand dollar is bullish or bearish. Same thing with euro pound. I just use it as an indicator. But I'm looking for bearish euro, so that would give me the bias of bullish pound, if that's what they're gonna give us for the official bank rate or monetary policy report. Oh, God. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. I don't really know what's going on with euro majors. Like, we're inside of this gap. We're going to get clarity tomorrow. But, like, I've been short euro. I fucked up. Like, I shorted euro instead of pound upon NFP. And I'm still anticipating NFP to have created the high of the month for majors and the low of the month for dollar. EuroCAD, market maker. What do you got? Market maker what? Sell model? I'm already done trading CAD. I'll tell you right now. Hold on. EuroCAD. Like, this is, I'm done with this trade. I also don't like trading external to internal. Like, I like trading internal range liquidity to external range. Like, I'd rather be a part of the continuation rather than trading the reversal. That's how you'll, like, kind of keep yourself in tune and in sync with higher time frame order flow. My view on Bitcoin. My view on Buttcoin is... I want it to be bullish so my bags can survive. But I'm not liking it based, I don't know. This weekly candle looks like treesh. I wanted us to pop off of that POI. But as of right now, we don't really have SMT anymore. So I needed SMT in order for us to survive. And now, what's going on is we're trading through and closing below this gap. And you can see we're kind of selling off from it. So I don't really know what's going to happen with Bitcoin. Like, monthly's obviously inside of this gap, but I need, like, some sort of daily to give me some sort of reaction. Like, we tapped the monthly gap on Bitcoin. I want to see, I mean, hopefully this gap holds here and we can move up from there. But if you look at the daily on ETH, the corresponding highs, SMT. Dude, I swear to God, I'm going to be doing, like, some IRL stuff, like day in the life. But, like, as of right now, my day in the life, this is what I do. This is what I do, like, Monday through Friday. At least right now in the city. I wake up. I trade with my Discord. I finish by, like, 11 o'clock. I go outside. I tan and lay in the driveway, and I either fall asleep or I'm just, like, tweeting and doing other miscellaneous shit. And then I'll go to, like, the grocery store, or, like, I'll go run errands. And then I wait for my boys that I live with to get home from work. Then I go to the gym. After I go to the gym, I eat, and then I'll live stream or I'll record a YouTube video. But on weekends, it's when my brain just shuts off and I'm just out. I would do that on the weekend. But if you want to see me hungover and act like a zombie Saturday morning and Sunday morning, that's completely fine. I think that would be pretty funny, not gonna lie. Do you use the body or the wick? I always use the body. Yeah, no, NQ and ES is what I said that already. I'm looking at this inversion gap and the volume imbalance as support. Like, I'm looking at these two areas in price to move higher. But I also don't know. I really don't know just yet. Gonna need news to give us a direction. But a daily close below the volume imbalance, below this gap here, and below here. This is the, well, actually, this is, I'll show you guys this. This is the weekly gap. If the body of the weekly candle stays below this on NQ 1853.75, then I'll be bearish. My favorite drink, tequila Red Bull, even though it sounds disgusting, but it keeps me active. Tequila Red Bull. And also surf sides are delicious. USD CAD, yes. USD CAD, USD JPY, long. I'm looking for the sweep of these 4-hour lows, making an ITL. Maybe that creates SMT with the dollar index. Who knows? Like, this is the low that I would like to stay intact for dollar. If this sweep happens and then we have a failure to come down and take out that low and create the SMT like that, that would be sweet. But I have my alert set at the 4-hour lows on UCAD for us to continue. And that's also inside the mitigation block. Might be an exception, Fake, but we'll talk. Gotta talk to the guys about that one. See what I could do. AUDCHF giving some good moves too, Matt. What's going on with AUDCHF? Let me check these. Hold on, pause. Let me look real quick. Let me check. AUDCHF, NZDCAD, and let's see what I'm going to clear off all of my drawings for both, and we'll look at it dry. Let me just do this here. Hold on. Here's AUDCHF, here's NZDCAD, and I'll just do a complete top-down analysis of it all. Okay, so weekly. Okay. Took those highs out. Hold on. Let's see. SMT at these lows. SMT at the highs and the lows. There's SMT here. My Twitter handle is just my name, Matt_Lober. But there's SMT at these resting highs. AUD has strength. This is a weekly ERL. So what we're going to expect, I mean, price has been bullish. We potentially have a continuation for AUD strength off of this weekly bullish fair value gap. If that continues, then what's going to happen here is that we're going to get a continuation in the next week on AUDCHF, just going from the weekly internal to external range move. Looking at the same thing for NZDCHF, because these relative equal highs I feel like still are going to go. But I think that the range is capped for NZD and AUDCHF. I think the range is capped so far. There's flat body highs here, there's flat body lows, but I'm leaning towards higher prices because I'm bearish on CAD futures. I think CAD futures drop all the way down into here. Oh, figs, bro, just drop it, bro. I didn't know, I just saw what your handle. But yeah, that's what I can't touch on this yet. It looks like a move for next week. I think next week will be the move for AUDCHF and NZDCHF. Dude, I think I pulled something bad in my back and it really hurts. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm thinking that next week will be AUDCHF and NZDCHF on weekly charts. Daily's capped. I think daily's capped. We already reached the weekly objective on Monday, actually. That early. So I'm going to leave that alone for now. So we'll just let that slide. Bro, AUDCHF, man, you're going to make me want to cry. What's going on? Ooh, let's... Come on. Come on. Let's fucking go. That was clean. Why didn't I stack? Like, what am I doing? What am I doing? Like, am I stupid? I'm an idiot. I should have pyramided this. I'm an idiot. Wow. Oh, fuck. This is so clean. 4 seconds until 3 seconds. This is a great close, too. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. Very nice. Very, very nice. And the daily took out previous daily high. Already took out previous daily high. Yeah, this is nice. And then my last alert is set here. Okay, that's good. Love it. Love it. Do I really need to look at AUDCHF? Am I really going to have to do that? Bro wants me to get eye cancer, don't you? There's a reason why it's not on my fucking watch list. Hold on. Here we go. What do you see here? Dude, that ass? Fuck this bear. You know, let that silence resonate with you guys. Dude, trade IRL to ERL. Fuck the ERL to IRL. It's been fucking bullish. Wait until price gets into an internal range liquidity pool and then play it. Dude, this is horrible. I hate this already. I have a hate relationship with CHF pairs ever since CAD CHF. My take on EU and GU. So I am bearish on the majors, but I don't like how we didn't create SMT here at these highs, but we'll see how it happens on news release when we get it tomorrow. I'm obviously like super bullish on dollar. Everything is going perfectly as planned. I have dollar on these bearish PD rates that got violated. The volume imbalance here as well. Like we could just see price either like on news manipulate into any of these levels and then push up. And with that, pay attention to like anything on like euro. Like watch like there's smooth highs here, and with GU, where are these highs on GU? Like we got these highs here. I think it's going to be like this. Price is going to push up and then drop, or euro is going to push up and then drop. Like that. What up, Vig? I'm not even, like, you got, like, the correlation between the dollar index and indices is just not it. Like, it's not it like how it is for foreign currencies. And I haven't even prioritized or focused on indices in so long. Because I'm a swing trader. Like, I only like executing on the hourly and the 4 hour. So if I only like executing on the hourly and the 4 hour, this is not for me. This is not for me. My model is pretty much strictly around one shot, one kills. And indices does not give me that. Indices do not give me that at all. When's the next TED Talk? I don't know. It's kind of just like if I'm feeling it or not. I gave a detailed one. That shit was long. I was just laying in bed. I was like, you know what? Let me just elaborate on my story. I feel like not a lot of people do that. And I feel like it's good to see that from other people. Especially the traders that like you think are so good and godly. EA and GA, I'm looking for lower prices. If AUD gives us strength, then these would die off. Bro, you're typing... is your caps lock stuck, brother? What's going on there? What's going on there? Because if I execute on the intermediate term time frames only, that keeps me in smooth sync with what the higher time frame is telling me. I would much rather just execute on the hourly and the 4 hour and just let my trades sit. Set my alert at protected highs and lows and then just get away. Easy as that. Bitcoin created SMT on the 4 hour. Nice. Dude, yes, it's time to long Tesla. Bro, send this thing to the moon. Like for the love of my shares and my calls. This needs to go. This needs to go. We filled the gap. Now go. I literally bought, what did I buy? 200 calls for like next month. Did I take any trades this week? I'm in USD JPY, USD CAD, and AUD JPY. Long. Yeah, glow. Twitter live? Can I even do that? So limit order, I don't do limit orders. I only market buy or sell. Fuck limit orders. Am I a swing trader? Yes, if you can't tell already. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yeah, bro. Hold up. What's up, brother? Where is it? The 30? Bro. Did you do it on the 12 year? Or the 12 month? I use this manipulation leg. The yearly, yeah. I've had this up for like 6 months. Literally 6 months. And look at the yearly open. Flat bottom. I think the year 30 year gets smoked down to here. Just keep your alerts set. Maybe we see it in 2025, 2026. Probably 2026. At least 2 years from now. Oh no. You can't just you can't trade it. Actually, you might, I don't know, you might be able to trade it. Bro, it's a Wednesday. Actually, technically, you could drink today. It's Wine Wednesday. Bitcoin, I already did a Bitcoin anticipation. I wanted to see this daily gap hold, but it doesn't look like that's going to get us anything. I mean, we have SMT at these lows inside of the gap, but that doesn't really mean anything because it's not a significant swing. I look for liquidity sweeps on intermediate term time frames, yes. Euro. Come on, baby. Nothing. Nothing. This was SMT. This was SMT. And then here, the daily. There's no SMT here. And I think UJ and AUDJPY were better. I didn't like GJ or EJ. Hearing 2026 predictions. Yeah, that's actually funny. There you go. Bow, bow, bow. I'm not on kick, so I can't play the music. Did I buy Baba yet? No, bro. It didn't come down to my level yet. I bought Mara, though. I'm long heavy on Mara. Like, mad call options on Mara at these lows. I'm actually up a couple 100% on that. Like, bro, if Baba just gets smoked, I want to buy the shit out of this. I want to long this to the moon. Like, I did the same thing on Disney. Like, the relative equal lows and then Disney. Disney purged the lows here at 79, and then I bought. After I bought when we ran the lows, it just moonshot it. I honestly should have stacked it when we did the external to internal. And then, yeah. It's not bad for another position. It's actually pretty good. It's not bad. Oh, that gap down's insane. Their earnings got killed? Maybe a little lower. I'm literally just buying it and just I'm buying shares and holding it. Of course, brother. I'm happy you like the content. Is EA going to ERL from IRL? Damn, bro's having a spaz attack. I'm looking at it from the IRL to ERL, bro. Same thing with GA. My favorite comedian in the roast of Tom Brady has to be Nikki Glazer. That's her name? Nikki Glazer? The girl was insane. Like, she actually did so well. What she said about her boyfriend was insane. She said that was actually insane. For the people that joined late, I'll do it again. Indices, NQ, I'm watching price in this inversion gap on the daily and the volume imbalance, seeing if that price could be supported there. Like, price drops into here and then moves up. Or if we're bearish and we actually follow in correspondence to dollar index, we bleed through this, then we use it as support and we go lower Thursday high week. NZD is choppy because AUD NZD is flipping. Trying to flip. Also, all the NZD pairs have pretty much reached their weekly objective points. The percentage of ERL to IRL, like, slim to none. Like, literally, like, it's very slim. Like, I think I'd probably say 5%. Everything that I've been taking has always been like IRL to ERL move. It's literally the way of life. I wish Ralph was in here to hear that. when you have a huge monthly fair value gap, just dollar cost average into a position, bro. We're in discount of the range. Just start DCAing. Bro, I might get that tattooed on me. I'm not even kidding. IRL to ERL is what's literally made me thousands of dollars. That's how I'm able to trade full time. How would I scale a 5K account? 1% risk every single trade. Every trade, IRL, ERL, 1% risk. Do I always trade when there's a volatility injection? Nope. Volatility injections provide speed to my draws and liquidity. Who's DTR? Oh, day trading Ralph. Drop my link in Ralph's telly right now. I keep forgetting him that he calls himself DTR. Actually, that's new. That's new. That's new. I was so confused. Like, who's DTR? ICT uses up to 4.5% per trade. As of right now, I'm trading 1.5 to 2% per trade. I haven't taken a 1% risk in a minute. If you're a beginner, then I would only do 1% though, or even 0.5%. Because a lot of you guys aren't even confident in what you're seeing. You don't have like a full-blown system yet and a full-blown model. So until you have that, keep your risk consistent at 1% or less than that. I always enter during kill zones. Asia or New York? No, it's not too late for entries. Wait for tomorrow's news injection. Under what circumstances should you go all in on a trade when all of my things are checklist off of my list? Price reaching an internal range liquidity pool. We create SMT off of that internal range liquidity pool, and then you go to your intermediate term perspective, your time frame aligned, either hourly or 4 hour, and then once you see the hourly or 4 hour reaction off of that higher time frame key level, you wait for the change in state of delivery, you wait for an intermediate term low to get created that creates SMT, and then you wait for price to get back into the order block of that ITL, and then you execute off of the order block that sweeps liquidity, and then you go long with your stop loss at the low, at the intermediate term low that creates SMT. Now you see how fast I said it, because I know exactly what I want, I know exactly what I look for, and I do the same thing every single time. I can literally say that faster than you can sneeze, and then recover after the sneeze. I need a couple seconds. If your guru can't sedate their exact entry model and what they need in price delivery that fast, then they don't know what they're doing. Blatantly, they have no idea. I have all of my trades look exactly the same. I know what I want. I know what I look for. And I don't do anything unless certain things check off. That's how you're going to get to where you want to be. Consistency in your model, and that's how you get confident, and that's why I can lay on 1.5 to 2% risk, and that will probably bump up over the next couple of months. Maybe I'm going to do 3%, 4%, 5%. Who knows? But I've been doing this for so long that I have like I literally put that video that PB Trading put out. He was like, what did he say? He said, if I walked up to you and I gave you $300,000 and all you needed to do was open the charts and execute during these times and look for these specific things. And once you see these specific things check off, hit buy or sell, put your stop loss and your take profit on, and close the charts. Win or lose, it doesn't matter, and do that for a year and you'll have $250,000. If you risk $1,000 per trade or $2,000 per trade, you'll have $250,000 or $300,000. And I know that if you do that based off of the list and stuff that I said, you'll be rich. You'll literally be rich. But no, people want to like fall in the trap of like, oh, this theory just got released. This concept is out now. This, and that. Oh, you got all these shiny new fucking tools that just like, oh, whoa, this is the new enigma. Like, you're so stupid and blindsided to just like these stupid shiny objects when you just realize that like you've had your model. It was right in front of you the whole time. But no, you just want to listen to somebody that has thousands of followers and wants to just like spit garbage down your throat and confuse you to get you money or to get them money. It's so ridiculous. It is actually insane how stupid some people are. Like, you just understand that price just does two fucking things and just rebalances, imbalances, and seeks old highs and lows. Pair that with SMT and you literally have an unlimited money glitch. It's so fucking annoying. I've literally acquired over $1 million in funding, 1.5 now. And it's all based off of IRL and ERL. Been trading for fucking full time for almost a year now. And I've only done that. Only done that. Every single trade that I put on YouTube is the same thing over and over and over again. Reverse engineer all my trades. And you'll literally be rich. You'll be rich. It's, oh my God, it gets me so angry. It's so stupid. Every trade is the exact same thing. Every fucking trade. I don't even care about my monetization. YouTube could fuck off. This is why I stream on Kick. It's like ridiculous. You guys, like the people that like are just on Twitter, shiny object, new enigma. Oh my God, I can't even talk about it anymore. My vein's gonna pop out of my neck. Internal range to external range. No, kick streams, yeah, kick streams are elite. I just figured that I would do it on YouTube because a lot of people don't have Kick. I'll do a Kick stream tomorrow though. Fuck it. Tomorrow night, I'll run one on Kick. And I'll actually be able to bump music. Yeah, like, I could rant for so long about this stuff, but like, dude, it's so simple. And it's just like completely overlooked. Like, you need three things. Three things. And once you understand those three things, it's game over. It's literally game over. I think I was like going through my YouTube videos and checking like my analytics. And there's a reason why I have like literally 0.025% dislikes on all of my videos. I think the most amount of dislike I've had on one video was 2 out of like hundreds, because the repetition repeats itself. It's honestly getting difficult for me to come up with new ideas to put out, because everything that I've been doing per video is the exact same thing. Like, every video that I put out is every trade replicates the previous one. There's nothing new that I need to add. Like, I'm not gonna like what am I supposed to do? Like, another daily bias video? I've already done that. I have all of my trades replicate from the previous one, so I'm running out of ideas of what to put out. I could do a psychology video, like a full blown like rant, just talking about that. That's not bad. IRL Euro. Literally golden nugget. Yeah, a psychology video definitely would benefit. I actually I have an interview or a podcast coming out with Funded Engineer on Monday. I mean, so-called, they said it's Monday. I did it like a month ago, and it's all based off psychology tips and like how I got to point A to point Z where I'm at now. What is LRB? Lowest by USD CAD where I got in, yeah. The 4-hour bullish order block, or not bullish order block, the fair value gap during New York. Oh, did I end? Oh, was it an LRB? Yeah. No, the LRB was actually the retracement into this down close candle that swept the liquidity. This was the lowest buy. I honestly, I wish I entered there, but then I entered here. Stop loss at the low right here. What do I do when IRL fails? The only reason why the internal range liquidity pool would fail is due to a invalidation of the SMT inside of the internal range liquidity pool. Like, SMT validates all of your trades. Like, it validates everything. There's no SMT, there's no trade. That should be all of your rules. Like, that should be the biggest key. Like, SMT or nothing. No SMT on the higher time frame, no trade. Yeah, you've seen a good increase on your win rate from the higher time frames because you're in sync with higher time frame order flow. If you stay consistent with intermediate term time frames and entering on the hourly and the 4-hour, you will be on proper alignment with what the daily, the weekly, and the monthly are telling you. Promise you that. Is there a breakaway gap? I'm not sure yet. This would be a breakaway gap. Or in the 4-hour, this would be a breakaway gap. I still don't know yet because we haven't had news. I'm not leaving those out of the equation for tomorrow. I'm also using the daily inversion gap here and the daily bullish for value gap here as potential areas where price is going to drop into, potentially create SMT with the dollar index, and then move. Because if we can create on news release, create SMT inside of this daily gap with Dixie, then game over. I'm in. I'm in again. But this looks great for like accumulation, manipulation, then distribution higher. Like, this looks great. If we can just like consolidate during Asia session, London as well, and then news comes in, or if say like tomorrow is a classic buy day, say London sweeps the lows, then New York can continue, be Asia session accumulation, London manipulates, sets the low of the day, and then New York continues, runs to all the higher prices, draws some liquidity. That's another way. Like, I'm just spitballing random things that I'm just going through in my head. Yeah, like an ITL on USD CAD, creating SMT with Dixie would be great. Connor versus Chandler 303. I got Chandler, bro. I think the UFC wants, and like the whole world wants, like a Conor McGregor return to win. Like, how crazy would the media be? Like, Conor McGregor comes back off just like after his broken leg and his time off and just annihilates Chandler. Like, I think that would just break the internet. The publicity would be crazy, and you just got to think about it from their standpoint. I think just it's going to line up for McGregor to body him. How do you join the Discord? The link is in the description of the live, but I'll just put it in the chat, and I'll just pin it here. This is the link, and I'll just pin that for you guys or whatever it is. But yeah, so That's the link to. I pinned the message, a link to the Discord. So, my biggest trade. I think the biggest trade that I've ever received, like, I think it was like 6R, 6 risk to reward. And that was because I pyramided on the smart money reversal entry and a low risk buy and accumulation. And it was all 1% risk. Or it was 0.5% risk on the smart money reversal and then 1%. So I had 2.5 laid on the whole time, and then I took full profit, like a 1 to like 2.25. And that netted me 6R. Yeah, bro. I mean, the community will be there forever, but I don't want to. I would never push anything down your guys' throat. That's just my private Discord. In any other ways possible, I'm always there to like provide the free stuff. YouTube lives, kick streams, YouTube lives during the day. The Instagram reels, I hope, are a big help. Like, everything that I was doing before the Discord obviously continues to, like, after the Discord. Just somebody cloned my other one, and then I made a new one in collaboration with Day Trading Ralph and Nick Does Futures. So with us 3 being together, we're never wrong, honestly. Like, the analysis is actually undefeated. It might be unfair, honestly. It's, like, really unfair. And I'm being genuinely honest with that. Like, fucking lethal ass combo. I appreciate that, Fig. Oh yeah, no, I did go over ES and NQ, and I'll do it again for the people that are late. I'm looking at the daily inversion gap and the volume imbalance to see if we're going to get a Judas swing lower and then price pushes up higher. I think what we're going to pay attention to is 830 will be the Judas, and then equities open is the continuation. But that's just what I see as of right now. I would like it to consolidate, and then when news comes in, as price is consolidating inside of this daily candle, then we manipulate news at 8:30, and then 9:30 comes in, and then boom, continue. Yeah, one trade. Like, I've only been trading one shot, one kill models. Like, I've been in USD JPY and USD CAD all week. That's my one shot, one kill. I'm in my trade down here. I'm literally framing the weekly candle. Like, here, hold on. I'm buying below weekly open, and I'm selling when price reaches its weekly objective. My weekly objective is up here. Always look for buys below opens of a daily candle if you're intraday trading, or weekly candle if you're swing trading. You're trying to frame open, low, high, close. You want to be buying in the wick and not inside of the body. Anything that's inside of the body is always accumulation or reaccumulation if we're long. Would that go against my Dixie analysis? Yes, but I haven't seen indices and dollar index don't have that strong correlation together. They really don't. Also, I just don't like indices. I haven't traded them in a while. Like, it's not clear to me. I don't really like it. I'm forcing an idea analysis to you guys. I'm literally just forcing it because I'm not confident. I'm confident on my foreign currencies. Matt, what would you say was the biggest adversity? The biggest adversity that I had to overcome was tuning out all of the noise that I kept on seeing on Twitter and social media. Like, I just, like, in the beginning of your journey, it's obviously going to be such a hardship to just, like, look at you're a beginner. This is why I think that 2022 and when ICT had that mentorship in the beginning was so beneficial, because that's when Twitter was clean. Like, everyone, all those top guys that you see like now, like Fair Value God, fucking Zeusy, AM Trades, TT Trades, MMXM, Ralph, like like not Gene, but like a couple other guys, like Omar. A lot of those guys were all watching, and we were at the same time like going through 2022 mentorship on YouTube, collectively like taking notes, watching the streams, every single live, Shotgun Saturdays. Like everyone was always a part of it. It was like a nice, genuinely collective community that we were piggyback off of each other based off of what we learned from this episode. If somebody understood it, they would put it on Twitter, PDF, whatever it was. It was great. Like it was awesome. And that's how I was like able to learn so quickly and fast. But then like towards the end of it, when I still didn't have like the ball rolling to what I needed it to, I would see people spitting out like all random bullshit. Like I would lose a trade, and I would only trade indices, and people would trade in foreign currencies and stuff like that. Like, I only traded ES and NQ, and I would take a trade, I would lose it, and then I would go right to Twitter, and I would be like, what the fuck, how did they win and I lost? So I would immediately be like, okay, my strategy is chopped. I'm going to go and try and just follow what they're doing. And then I would try and mimic that. I would lose, and then I would go back on Twitter again and be like, wait, this person won that day, and then I lost that day. And I was always looking for trades every single day, every single session, all the time. And that's what was mixing me up, and I didn't really have an understanding of what high probability was, or what high probability was and what low probability was. So that's what was a big fuck up for me, knowing the difference between good market conditions and bad. So once I had a general understanding and how to put myself in sync with higher time frame order flow, that was when it was a big turning point for me, and when I completely put social media on mute. Instagram, Twitter, everything. And I had a mentor, and the mentor was able to guide me and like kind of like walk my path. This is the do's, this is the don'ts, and this is what I should be doing, and this is what I should be focusing on, which was fantastic. And that's what sped the process for me like this. Like I was able to get all the puzzle pieces in my face, and I was able to put the picture together, because nobody's going to be able to do that for you. Someone can like say, this works, and this works, but this doesn't, and this doesn't. But that's not going to like make it work in your head. What makes it work in your head is chart time and getting your confidence in your own model and having all the pieces of the puzzle in front of you and you putting them together yourself. So that's why you need to submit the time. You need to accept that this will not be a short process. This is going to be long. You want to have micro urgency and macro patience. Like, that's just, there's so many questions, and I was just ranting for so long. But yeah, I don't even remember what I was. Hopefully that was nice and good for you guys. Where was that question that was even asked? I don't even know. You guys are just asking about analysis on crypto, and just completely ignore what I just said. Okay. All right, bro, I'll go over my stop loss placement. Jesus. Like, you want your stop loss placement at fucking... Vig asked that. That was a great question, Vig. Stop loss placement. You want your stop loss placement at a low that created SMT divergence. SMT divergence is your key and your solution to everything. Because Vig asked a good question, rather than just analysis. Also, Vig is in my Discord. He's a real one. If 8:30 News were to manipulate the highs, and would you expect... Yeah, wait, for indices or for foreign currencies? Like, if, say, like, I wouldn't want us to move up. I don't really want us to move up and then down. Like, I don't want that. But I really have such a strong standpoint right now on the dollar index moving higher. Like, I really do. I think that this is just very, very, like, primed to move higher. Wait, hold on. There's so many questions. Wait, I gotta get through everyone. Wait, all of you are real-life friends? No, not real-life friends. Just been in the Discord for a really long time. Yeah, that's my stop loss placement with the SMT. EA, we already went over EA, bro. Like, come on. I went over EA. I said this already. We're looking at the daily SMT divergence inside of the daily internal range liquidity pool, and we're looking for lower prices. That's it. Man, you guys are something else. A lot of spoon feeding. My God. I don't know stop loss placement until we have the news. What about your ITL entries? Do you use the order block that's, yes, the order block that sweeps liquidity, and then that low of that order block, that should be your protected low, because that also should be creating SMT. Like the SMT with, like it should be like this. Hold on. I'm literally going to make this diagram, and there's going to be 3,000 more. Price pushes up, trade lower. Do, 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 do. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. This is your ideal view of a market maker buy model. Say this is an internal range liquidity pool. Say this is a significant swing low. This is what you want your SMT to look like. This is a accumulation. Manipulation, creating the ITL, price shifts in structure, price retraces into the down close candle that takes out the liquidity. That's your first entry point right there. And then that's your protected low, creates the SMT, then price moves higher. But I can't go in too much depth with that. Not answering the stop loss question for USD CAD. Can you go over step by step every trade? Watch my YouTube videos. All of my YouTube videos, reverse engineer all of my YouTube videos. How do you recognize bad market conditions when there's no news and the daily, the weekly, and the monthly are not clear with an internal or an external range liquidity pool tag? I learned a lot from your previous video. Of course, brother, I'm happy that you were able to intake the knowledge. And I asked just so you could locate. Yeah, thank you, Vig. You're a real one. Thank you for understanding. Dodge. Go through all of my breakdowns. Deadass. Everything will look the same and it should all click. Where did you place your limit entry on USD CAD? Did not place a limit. I just market bought inside of the daily or the 4-hour bullish for value gap. The roundtable meetup coming soon. Absolutely. We need to figure out a location as to where we're going to do the meetup. Can I talk more about SMT? Yeah, sure, actually. I can talk more about it for literally, I'll tell you right now. 1 second. I can talk more about SMT for exactly 10 minutes and 44 seconds right inside of this YouTube video that you can watch, where I literally say in the title, SMT Divergence Explained. There you go. That's SMT Divergence Explained on that link. What's Euro Pound telling us, bro? Lower prices on Euro. GBP strength for now, yes. GBP strength because Euro's weak, yes. What is my outlook on NQ? I'll do it again. Thank God I'm whacked off the pre-workout. Holy shit. Euro. Wait, what was the question? Okay. Wait. Oh, outlook for NQ. I'm looking for NQ and ES to run into this inversion gap. The volume imbalance should be support and looking for higher prices. 8:30 news should manipulate us lower, and then 9:30 equities open can push us. Dude, Vig, I swear, Ralph could never in a million years do this. Never in a million years. Yeah, it's me, Ralph, and Nick. You should, yeah, exactly. Short the weaker asset and long the stronger one. Do you guys execute? Yes, we all execute live. How old is Matt Lauber? I'm 47 years old. Psych, I'm 25. Once I turn 30, I'm going to be 24 for the next 10 years. I'll tell you that right now. Do you use a fixed risk to reward? Yes, I take profit at a 1 to 2 at 80%, and then I close the 80%, and I lock in 1.8%, and then I leave 0.2% to external range targets. Indeed. That is exactly what I do. Wow, I've spoke so fast. So fast. Silky is hilarious. He'll be in one of the next live streams. What would you be doing if you haven't found ICT? I would be trying to DJ full time. If I wasn't trading, I would be DJing. Of course, brother. Appreciate that. Thoughts on GA? I'm looking at for lower prices. Where did I have it? I had it here. Where the f did I have it? I want it lower. GA made the lower high. Yeah, no. It doesn't. Bro, I mean, at least you said it respectfully. I'm looking at the lower prices. GA made the lower high. EA made the higher high. I mean, depending on how you guys get it during London, I don't really like what's happening here. It just looks kind of shitty. But I would just monitor it and be safe with it during London session. This is all going to be dependent on what happens with AUDNCD. Like, we need strength out of Australian dollar so that anything that's XXX Australian cross will be weak. But, like, this is disgusting. Appreciate that, brother. When dollar is bullish, gold should be bearish, right? Yes. Why aren't you bearish on indices since it's in premium now? What exactly? It's violating bearish PD arrays. We're trading through this daily bearish for value gap, closing above it, creating volume imbalances, all of these bullish imbalances to below. There's no reason for us to be bearish completely just yet. And on top of that, even on ES, we traded through this previous premium fair value gap, and we closed above it. And now we're just expanding higher. There's no imbalances for us to rebalance above, so there's no point for us to be looking for lower prices just yet. And indices for NQ, we are currently in this weekly body that is still not just yet closed. This week will be a clear depiction, and if we close off this gap on the weekly chart, then we will 100% be reaching all-time highs again. Would you take a trade on a no-news day or bank holiday? No, I would not, because I would be on holiday that day. AKA, I would be out drinking. Or golfing. One of the two. USD CAD and Euro AUD. Sure. Dude, I'm literally whacked off of like 400 milligrams of caffeine. And it was leg day today, so it was miserable. There's so many questions and I'm answering them by myself and I'm just just firing off. Is taking a week off of the charts good after blowing an account? Absolutely. Yes, it is. Yes. It is definitely good to take a week off after blowing an account. 100%. Reset mentally. Euro AUD is good, but it says, yeah. It's, dude, I don't. This thing looks like dog shit. On the hourly, too. I mean, like, I wouldn't want. See, I don't even know what this thing is doing on the hourly chart right now. I would have wanted this to melt lower. We created SMT here. Like, we closed below this low. I would have wanted price to trade up into this down close candle or this up close and drop. And then go lower. Like, that's what I would want. Matt, I don't pollute my trading hard drive, but anything with ICT videos. Your stream today is so informative. I'm going to store it for the next videos. Thanks for the quality content. Appreciate the kind words, Robert. It means a lot, honestly. But I'm glad that you're enjoying the value and just the content in general. This is just me enjoying myself and just trying to provide as much as I can to you guys. My favorite liquor, like brand or like just in general? Because if so, it's tequila. Tequila beats vodka. Vodka gets me angry. Tequila gets me like just active in a certain way. Sambuca. Sambuca's good. Favorite drug? Can't answer that. Can't answer that. I can answer it on Kick tomorrow. But I'm not answering that now. That's crazy. I need to keep it PG-13 to an extent. I appreciate that, Brody. I'm just trying to be real. Can't answer that, and I can't give an opinion either. I will give an opinion tomorrow. Just bring that same question, and I'll say whatever the fuck I want. Have I ever been in North Africa? No, I have not. But I heard that South Africa is really nice and there's beautiful women. Yeah, no, I'm definitely gonna get out of Hoboken. I don't know where I'm moving yet though. Tequila is so much more fun. Like 100%. No 13. Hoboken is just so much fun. No, I can't move to Vegas, bro. There's no shot. I'd blow up all of my profits. There's no way I could live in Vegas. Absolutely. Unless I was a sports capper, I can't live in Vegas. Vegas is a good time to go to like twice a year. Unless you're like an OnlyFans like prostitute or a sports capper, why would you ever live in Vegas? I can do a psychology video. I could rant for an hour. I could rant for hours. Like, literally completely unhinged. No. Jumo, that's mine. If she denies me, Vig, I got you. Would I ever date an OnlyFans girl? No. Absolutely not. Unless she only makes money from pictures of herself and not selling her body, and not like sex with other dudes and shit. Like, say like she was just doing like feet pics, but she made like 5 mil, 10 mil a year. I'll be like, you know what? This is fine. I'm going to be the house dad though. And you do that, but I get the bag and I keep like 50%. And I'll manage it. And I'll only manage the money. You manage everything else. I'm not doing anything else. But I want to check in weekly and see what's going on that account. Actually, not weekly, daily. I want to see who's messaging you, what you're messaging out, and I would literally monitor that like a hawk. And if she does anything wrong, then I break up with her. If, say, we're married, I break up with her and I take half and I run. Or I take everything and I run. Am I single? Yeah. Dude, guys that run OnlyFans agencies are dogs. A couple of my boys do that. And they just pull in like 10% per model. And like you have a model that's in like the above 1%, you're rich. Like literally rich. But all of those girls are in like Brickell or Miami, like all Florida. That is pretty much where they're all at. It's dangerous down there, man. Favorite darts? Marlboro 27s or Camel Crushers? Probably say Marlboro 27s because that was my pledge pack. Camel Crushers are so superior, can't lie. I stopped smoking darts though. I only pack pillows. I'm trying to build up my my Zin rewards so that I can get a cool couple pieces of Zin merch. What frat? Kappa Sigma. It's fraternity, not frat. You can see the fade. Hold on, pause. See the fade? Hold on, look. Look at the fade. Back. Gas? Dude, my face is so burnt. Oh my god. Bro. Dude, why is my nose so red? Oh. Fuck. Dude, I had a girlfriend for 7 years of my life. Yeah, probably I ain't going bald. Any tattoos? Actually, I have a really... Dude, look at this. Read this tattoo. Can you guys read it? This was for trading. You know what it says? This was literally devoted to trading. It says... I mean, you probably... It's backwards. It says, never a failure, always a lesson. Literally devoted to trading. Because all of your mistakes in tradings, or in trading through your journey, it's never a failure. It's just a lesson to learn from. And it's my favorite tattoo. It says, never a failure, always a lesson. Girls love tattoos. Too hot to be single. Ugh, love it. I'm going to get next one, internal to external range. No, I cannot get a teardrop tattoo. I'm white. That cannot happen. Wait, J. Alex. Oh, my bad. My bad. Jeez, that who spammed. Holy shit. Why do you expect price to reverse? Wait, why do you expect price to reverse specifically at a swing high when you mark on EU and GU? Like, what do you mean? At a specific, I'm looking for price to reverse whenever SMT occurs. SMT confirms reversals. Bro, stop saying it. Okay, I'm sorry. SMT confirms reversal points. That's why I said I want one of them to run and one of them to fail. Yeah, oh my god, please don't. Oh my god. How many times was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 times. Alright, got it. Okay. That's crazy. 16 times. It's fucking nuts, man. Oh, fuck. You're handsome. Fig, you're a beauty. I got mouth tape coming in so I can mew in my sleep. What's turning me off from silver? I just hate silver and gold. I think they're gross. I don't like them. Yeah, you like that, Fig? Yes, SMT confirms reversal points. The SMR will always have SMT. Always. Oh my god. Why am I wisdom to do it? Oh, fuck. Okay, come on. Lower. Lower prices. Lower. Monthly external SMT to internal. Lower. Yeah, lower. Lower. What do I do before trading? I edge. Look it up. Increasing my risk to reward? Nah. Ah, from Vietnam. Shalom. Just sold GA. Might be early with a wide stop loss. I have no idea because we're in Asia and you guys are probably going to get some action on it during London. I was waiting for someone to... my goal for 2024, hit my first million. I know it's Jewish. I'm kidding. I want $1 million in the bank account. Bro, Discord every day is funny. What does Google say? Yeah, I know we're in a weekly gap, brother. Hold on, where's the SMT though? Where's your SMT inside the weekly gap? You tell me where. Where is it? I don't see it here. I don't see it here. I don't see it here. I don't see it here either. And I don't see it there. So why would I look to long? Huh? You need it on the weekly. You need it on the weekly in order to drop to the 4-hour. Tisk tisk. Bad, bad. Bad boy. Eli, what's up, buddy? Why are you in late? Just get back from class, huh? Eli, you missed it, dog. I was ranting. I want higher prices too. Bro, how you should have the alerts on my announcements. And whenever I go live, there needs to be a siren that goes off. Fig was also first in the chat. And Vig. Does Matt have a 6-pack yet? Not yet. Actually, I do, but I can't show you because that's only for my OnlyFans. Lower it. Fade. I was yapping about everything. Everything. My body fat percentage, I think I'm sitting at like 15, 16, like 16%, something like that. 15, 16. I know it's, I mean, bro, I don't want to be below 10. And I'm also bulking. I'm trying to cut, but it's hard. I'm going to post a picture of myself on Twitter. I'll post a picture of myself on Twitter, and you guys will see. Shirtless and everything. And I want 1 million likes. Bro, like, I can't cut carbs out, too. Like, it's so fucking hard. Yeah, no, I would never cut carbs. But I'm saying, like, sweets and, like, all that other garbage. Like, fatty foods, primarily. Dude, people that do carnivore diets, I think, are insane. Honestly, I think that they're insane. What's your question? James, the link is at the top. And then it shows everything that is provided. Like, I pinned the link to the Discord at the top. But it's weekly backtesting sessions, weekly classes, journaling sessions, psychology sessions, live trading, 4 to 5 times a week. And then a bunch of other stuff. You're sweet. Wait, no. Wait, Fig, where'd you... Oh, wait. Fig, where's the question? Oh, I do eggs. I do eggs in the morning. And then I do ground beef and rice for lunch. And then I throw a protein bar in as well. And then I do like protein waffles like in between, like mid-afternoon snack, or like in between breakfast and lunch. And then I have like honey, banana, rice cake, pre-workout meal. Bro said blue waffles. Disgusting. Then I go to the gym, and then after the gym I do like a fat. I'll do like I'll typically make a burrito, like ground beef, rice, corn, cheese, and other shit. And then I'll do another protein shake at the end, right when I finish. Yes, you have access to the recordings and everything when it's done. It's all on WAP. I love Kava. Kava's fire, but they don't have a Kava up by me. They have it down by South Jersey. Oh, Fig, I can give you a shout out. I don't give a fuck. Can I get a shout out? I'll boost your file. I'll keep engaging with your posts and shit. Once you post like a banger, I'll quote it. It'll be like, yo, underrated follow, underrated account. You just gotta DM it to me. Catch a bang. All the suspense for that is right. Alright, I'll catch you for tomorrow's session. Tomorrow night for kick, bro. The last trade. Where is it? Damn. People are coming at the ones that know Zeus's group. Holy shit. 400. Wow. Fig is on the run. I don't doubt that whatsoever. I'm looking now. Hold on, I need to bookmark this so I can read this later. Here, I'll do it. Fig. Where are you, Mr. Fig? Oh, there you are. Hey, at least you got past 666. Wait, which one? Oh, dude, when I heard that risk to reward stuff was like unimportant, that was actually hurt. It just says NQ. Bro, you got Fig. Next trade that you take, go on Twitter and then post like the full analysis of like NASDAQ and then dashed bullet points of like this, that, like what I do, like daily internal to external, like SMT divergence with this and that, like hourly ITL, like / breaker block, like time frame alignment, do that. And then that gets crazy attention. Like do that. Like say like you catch like your next tweet. I'll do it for the next tweet because this just looks like, I mean, it's just charts. I want it to be of value, and then I'll do it, I promise. I put that on my mom. I will quote it, like a full breakdown of everything. And then, like, show your execution, like, your screenshot prior of, like, you calling it out. And then I got you. Expect, like, the people that, like, I retweet on Twitter that, like, tag me, like, how they have their stuff break down. Oh my god, the TV is fucking on. If you trade FX, includes flags. Oh yeah, flag, dude. I'm not gonna lie, I fuck up with flags. I'm really bad at it. I get the flags wrong 9 times out of 10. That's why I stopped doing the flags. I need to tell. Yeah, I know. He's locked in. Yeah, no, Fig, I got you. Don't worry. I don't know. All I know is that Joker said that, and he retweeted it, or he put it on his Twitter, and then I saw it. I was like, what? He said that during the pod? Like, damn, that's bad. Thanks for answering the questions earlier. Tuning your live streams regularly. About to hop off now. Thank you, BK. Appreciate that, brother. All love. What platforms do I trade Forex on? Currently, doing Audacity Capital, doing a challenge with them. My Flash Funding, a Bespoke Breakout, Crypto Fund Trader. Do you think a 90% win rate is possible? Yes. Dude, I could have a 90% win rate doing a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Even high, I could probably have a higher than a 90% win rate doing a 1-to-1. I'm not even kidding. Like, it's 100% possible. It's all about your risk to reward per trade. Vig, hurry up. With a 2R? I don't know. I feel like it's a reach. I have a big reach. Honestly. That's too high of an expectation. I think 60 to 70% is fair. With a 1-to-2. That was fast. Damn, bro's got the 30-pack right next to him. Yeah, exactly, bro. 50% win rate, 2 risk to reward is profitable. That is very profitable. Like, damn. Dude, this is going to go well. Very excited for tomorrow. You guys have any other questions to spitball off? I don't want to be up too late. Man, my arms are sore as hell. AJ, is it pumping? Is it pumping? Come on, baby. Pump it. Oh, I don't like the flat body going hourly. Ugh. Go, 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 go. No, I let, what's it called? Ralph is in charge with that. I let Ralph handle the fundamental stuff. Bro, Eli, I don't have a clear analysis on them either. I can't lie. Like, I don't have a clear analysis. This is my only view right now on NQ. This is what I'm looking at. Eli, come over to the dark side. Come to Forex. No, I closed my GA short early. Oh, come on. No, what the fuck? No, what the fuck? What the fuck? Are you fucking kidding me, bro? Are you kidding me? I mean, at least it's dying, but I closed it. Fuck. Dude, why did it go up so high? Are you kidding me? Why did it go up so high? You guys got it during London, man. Because I didn't like the consolidation, and I didn't want to hold it through spread hour. Fuck it. Whatever. Who cares? Like, what the... I don't care. I don't care enough. I don't care enough. I'm in... That would have been too many positions for me anyway. Fuck it. Oh, well. That was a 4-hour gap, too. Whatever. The M5 looks like shit. Looks shit. SMT here. That's such a deep retracement, though. SMT confirms reversals. Yeah, Fig, put your profile picture as the John. The picture that she got. Like, do that. Alright. Getting lost when I go to the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Go from focusing on the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. And then once priced on the daily, the weekly, and the monthly, reach a higher time frame key level, an external or an internal range liquidity pool, drop to your intermediate term time frame, the 4-hour or the 1-hour, after we reach the key levels, and there's SMT on the daily, the weekly, and the monthly. Once there's SMT and price reaches a fair value gap or an old high or a low, if there's SMT, when price gets into those points, then you drop to your hourly or your 4-hour chart, depending if you're looking at the daily for the hourly or the 4-hour for the weekly. And then you can look for an entry on the intermediate term time frame based off of what the reaction is off of that daily, weekly, or monthly key level. And that's how you should stay in tune and in sync with higher time frame order flow. Boom. Done. That's the best way. That's your sauce. Your golden nugget. Wait, this means that AUD is bullish. Oh my god, look at it run. I'm up so fat. They're torching Zeusy right now. I know. I feel bad. Where are they torching him? Zooey. We're printing. Go to the highs for daddy. Where are they torching him? What are they saying? I need to put this in Discord right now. Alright, hold on. This is going so well. My side here. Copy. Hold on, I'll look after I send this in the group. Where is it? 1 second. Beautiful. All right. What link did you send, Eli? Where did you send the link? Oh, the Justin link. Yeah. That's what I read. I can't see the link there now. We make money selling hindsight stuff now. 405. Give me that. Eli, I don't see it. I don't see it, Brody. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Alright, let me fix this. Take this. Save that. Okay, drag here. Beautiful. Okay. Done managing position. Cool. Yeah, Eli, I don't see shit. Wait, Vig, where was your question? Matt, what's the most underrated trading concept you find? Sorry, I had to manage that. Wait, Matt, what's the most underrated trading concept you find most people don't get? Higher time frame analysis. People or use it properly using like properly syncing higher time frame to your entry time frame. That's big. Like people saying that they're getting, like someone just said, like I get lost in the lower time frame. Yeah, it's because you don't understand the higher time frame. Like you have no idea. Like literally no idea. You don't know. You're not putting yourself in proper sync with the with what the higher time frame order flow is telling you. Once you align everything properly, then you're good. But also SMT too. It's a big. That's one of the most overlooked concepts that people don't even use, which is crazy. Like you don't trade if you don't use SMT when you're trading blind. But those are the first two things in my trading checklist that I need in order to look for even an entry. I'm not even kidding. If I don't have either one of those two things, it's done. There's no trade on the table for me. Literally no trade. Damn, this thing is all over the fucking place, bro. I want the May 1st highs, bro. I want these highs. This is NFP highs. I'm partialing here. Take it easy, brother. No, I'm not pressing that, Eli. I don't trust you enough. I've clicked horrible links on your behalf, and it was not good. I don't use the bond. I don't use the 2-year bonds. I have no idea. Eli, what was the last time when you said, "Yo, Matt, click this"? What happened next? I'll do it off stream. I have to end this shit anyway in like a minute. I will do it off stream, trust. I don't trade top step. How to consider a pair to trade among those different pairs? I trade pretty much everything, bro. I don't narrow myself down to any specific pair. I literally only trade. I trade the same. I go through my entire watch list, and I look for 2 things. I look for internal or external range liquidity tag, and then I look for SMT. And if there's nothing clear on the monthly, the weekly, or the daily, then I move on to the next. And it takes me 5 minutes to go through everything. Not even. I can't see it. I'm going to click on it after the stream. It looks clean, though. That's how it should be instead of just a black screen. Damn, Vig said the X1 is better. He just called you ugly, Vig. Or Fig. Now, if I were you, I wouldn't take that. Got it on the ITL with SMT. Not enough for steroid deposit. Oh, okay, I feel you. That's still fair, though. Could protect the position. Or at least just reduce some of the risk. Maybe putting it at the body. Alright. But, any last important questions before I close the stream? We've been running for about 2 hours now, but we said some sauce in this stream. Like, we said some gems and a lot of rants about other miscellaneous shit. Damn, my veins are popping right now. Do you need SMT at the ITL? Yes, you do. That's where you want it to occur. The ITL creating SMT is what is good for the stop loss placement, because that's what I did with the USDJPY. I had SMT divergence, run of a short-term low, intermediate term low, creates SMT, price change in state of delivery, closes above the down close candle, price next candle, trades back into it, I long, and then I hold this thing until the moon. Where's truce? Where's truce? Where's truce? Truce. Yeah, there you go. That's what I just said. I just answered it. SMT at the long-term perspective, but once you see it on the long-term perspective, what's going to happen is on the intermediate term, it will, like, once we get the SMT on the higher time frame, you'll see it on the intermediate as just the reaction off of the higher time frame key level. But basically, just look for it on every time frame. My Forex watch list here, right? I'll scroll and then you guys can rewatch. Cause I gotta cut this. It's getting late. Indices, Forex futures, majors, exotics, bonds, and dollar, my crypto, and my stocks. And then obviously there's fucking, okay, these need to go. And there's there's commodities too. Okay. Questions on live streams. Do you schedule live streams? I'm pretty much doing live streams like 2 to 3 times a week. That's pretty much on Kick or YouTube. Do another live stream tomorrow on YouTube, probably during the day, and Kick at night. That's the plan. But we'll cut it here. Much love, you guys. Thank you all for joining and tuning into my TED Talk. As always, like, if you have any questions at all, just throw them at to me, and we'll hopefully get you situated. Vig and everybody else in the Discord, I'll see you in there live trading tomorrow morning. If you guys are interested in joining the Discord, the link is pinned here. It's also in the description of the live stream video. But Be safe, guys. Have a good rest of your night. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Be safe, gang.